So I'm doing a presentation over micro-learning and stackable credits and why I feel like a college or university needs to implement them for their students. What is micro-learning? It's small learning units with short-term learning activities, and it involves short-term focus strategies. It usually takes place online at the user's convenience. And most schools and institutions offer them online programs, and they can earn alternative credentials or like certificates. A micro credential is a short competency-based recognition that allows an educator to demonstrate mastery in a particular area. And then stackable credentials. Stackable credentials. It's part of the sequence of credentials that can be accumulated over time to build an individual's qualifications and help them to move along a career pathway or up a career ladder to different and potentially higher paying jobs. So you have vertical stacking, which is like, you're graduating from high school, getting your associate's degree, bachelor's, PhD, so on. Or you have horizontal stacking, where you just gain certificates for whatever field you're in. And this example is IT. And then you have value added stacking, which means that you get those degrees, but then you go back and get different certifications to build on to what you already have. So again, it's stackable learning. It promotes bite-sized learning suited to a learner's specific learning objectives. Like I said, it's just mainly geared towards whatever certificate you're trying to achieve in whatever field. And then why use the stackable credentials? It's really just to enhance yourself without having to go back through a 4-year program. These are credentials that don't take a lot of time, but they help you along with the workforce. And then this is evidence. It really is shown in statistics with the percentage and the numbers that people are earning by gaining these credentials as opposed to not having them. Some of the misconceptions when it comes to micro-learning or the stacking credentials is students choosing the credentials over coursework. Even though a lot of people go to get these certifications, sometimes you still have to have those degrees. So students have to get the degrees first and then are able to stack those credentials. These are some of the universities that offer micro-learning in the credentials. Like this is DeVry, and they have a program that you can do. This one is medical billing and coding. The University of Texas has several different programs that you can do. Biola University has a couple different programs as well. Dallas College has credentials. University of Dallas as well. And then in conclusion, I feel like providing micro-learning and stackable credentials provides flexibility for students who must balance work and family demands while furthering their education. It also helps individuals to progress on in a career path of their choosing. And the more stackable credentials that I feel like a school offers, the more appealing they are to students who are actually trying to advance their career. And these are my references.